Rats. Yikes. If you know you have rats, you want to watch this video immediately. You know, in the 14th century, the plague killed millions of people, and we now know that the plague came from the fleas that were on rats. Rats carry bacteria into your home, and they can contaminate your food. So if you have rats, you want to take care of this problem immediately. Create a plan to stop the invader. I hate to say this to you, but if you have a rat in your house, you have two problems. One is you have a rat in your house. Number two, there's a way for that rat to get into your house, and you need to solve both of those problems. Look outside for entry points, and don't forget to look up. Sometimes the eave or the overhang around your house has an opening, maybe an electrical pipe or a plumbing pipe goes through it, and the pipe is bigger, or the hole is bigger than the pipe. You want to be sure you use copper mesh to fill that in. And we're using copper. If you watch my previous video, you know we use copper because some steel mesh will rust, and you don't want that to happen. There are a lot of different ways to get rid of a rat in your house. There are live traps, there are snap traps, there are glue boards, and there's baits and the stations that they go in. So if you use a live trap, the problem is you end up with a live mouse in a trap, and you have to deal with it. If you use a snap trap, he's probably not going to survive depending on where he got snapped. If you use a glue board, you're also going to have a problem with a live rodent on a glue board. If you use baits and bait stations, they're going to eat that bait. Theoretically, they will go outside to die, but there's no way to guarantee that they'll do that. So you can use all these different types. But let me remind you, if you use baits, read, understand, and follow the label directions. We would hate for your pet or a child to get into that bait. It's very important when you have rodents that you take care of that problem quickly and effectively, but also safely. And if you need our help, call a professional. Gillen Pest Control is here to help all the time.